Hello everyone, my name is Barbara and I'm a Polish girl who lives in Ireland and likes to knit, and today I have unboxing for you. I know it is 29th of November, so I hope you got your ones and you're already knitting them, so it's not a surprise and not spoiling, and I'm not spoiling anything for you. So far I got 2 boxes. And I'm not sure which one is which one, and I know there was some kind of delay in the KnitCrate, so that's that. But I love their yarn, and just to show you that I have loads of fun with it and I'm knitting with it, I'm leaving a link down below to a KnitCrate yarn playlist. So I've been receiving KnitCrates for like, what, 2 years now? I have to check it out actually. So they're sending me boxes to show it to you, just to be open and honest, and I have fun. Actually hard for me to say how the yarns I'm going to open act in the project, but I can definitely tell you the one that I've knitted with, and that's why I'm wearing those 2 things. This is the hat in the pattern that it was in the previous year in December, so quite a chunky yarn, and it was like very quick knit. Literally I could knit it in one day. But definitely, if you have quite a nice evening with relax, with the just enjoying yourself, you definitely can knit it in like an evening. So I'm just putting it up and rocking it that way. This one, the pattern is not from KnitCrate. The pattern is by lovely Victoria Zahanovic, and I knitted this. I just played with the stripes and the kind of mixing colors over here, but overall the structure of the pullover is her one, and like I said, I just play with that. Both of those skeins, I actually used one skein of the yellow one and 2 from 2 months KnitCrate membership during the year. I love it. It looks so cool. Anyway, back to the business. So you're here to see what I got, and I'm interested in what I got in my boxes. I know the yarn is amazing because I already seen a sneak peek, so the question is what kind of colors I'm going to get. On the screen now you can see that KnitCrate is a monthly subscription. On the website you can notice there they have different boxes. I'm opening 2 today. Normally they send me 3, so we shall see how it goes. If so, I will just add another unboxing video in the future, so stay in touch. You can find affiliate link, and KnitCrate are giving us 20% off, so KL20, and to use if you want to start your subscription. It works any subscription for your first box. I hope I'm saying it right. Double check the website if you're interested, and let's have fun. Okay, and just to let you know from the last one more thing just to let you know before I open the first one is that I used the yarn for the previous month, which was October, and I used artisan yarn, so from Artisan Crate Yarn, and I did actually knitted a KnitCrate pattern, so the pattern included in a KnitCrate box, which was a diamond lace on the screen so you could see it, and then I had some leftovers, which basically was like a 1.5 skein, and I matched it with Bubbles yarn, so the yarn I got during the knitting retreat, and I designed a hat and a cowl, which you actually can see on the screen now, so you can check it out. I'm in the middle of knitting mittens. I may not edit as an extra pattern. We shall see how it goes, but so far so good. Check it out, link down below to my pattern if you're interested, and happy knitting. That's a KnitCrate membership, and I got the most amazing color. I don't have this color in my stash whatsoever, and you can see it. There's nothing I can spoil over here, and it's a speckle, so we have stellina in it. Oh, so gorgeous. Oh my, do you see it? I see it in the sweater. That's the thing what I like to do with KnitCrates. They sometimes come up with the weights that you can mix together and get something beautiful, and check this out. Like I said, I needed 2 skeins and just 1 more for the rest, for the yellow one. The yellow one is just 1 skein, and you know, it wasn't even a full skein. I had some leftovers, so I could mix this baby with 1 skein and have exactly the same thing. It's a Uru yarn, 70% Saporosh Merino, 20% nylon, 10% stellina. It's a worsted weight. Ooh, 219 yards, 200 meters, and the name of it So check it out, everything on the screen. If you want to pause, please do. And now check the yarn. As you can see, I have some black elements over here. So it's not all, can I say purple? Worsted. So beautiful. This sweater, fingering weight yarn, just to let you know. What else comes with a KnitCrate? Not only 2 skeins, and there go with different weights, so you can get a worsted as we got now. You could get fingering, you could get DK, you never know. But I love every time I get it because that way you can jump from different patterns. Now, what else you get with a KnitCrate box is a magazine. Last month we got magazine with a full range of patterns, so it was a special month, I would say. If you grabbed that one, oh, you were the lucky one. And for November, I presume because it's a thinner, and that's why they could put it in nice boxes. They could put it in nice boxes because it's lighter. They probably just entered a few patterns, so let's see what they have over here. First things first, you can have a snippet of other colors that are available in the KnitCrate boxes. Although, as you may aware, you never know what kind of color you're going to get. They're all beautiful. So the main theme is enchanted. Here it is. Check it out. All right, such a nice. There's nothing I can say can show you it at all. So, here it is, different colors. I got this one, roses. With the KnitCrates, we get 2 patterns, usually, crocheting and knitting. So I'm very curious, it's the first time I got this one, it's something new from KnitCrate. So how many patterns actually I'm getting now? So first things first, fruit rich, I would say that's the word, and it is crocheting. So check it out. So nice. Do I have any crocheters over here? Let me know down below. And it's in my color. You see how nice it comes out. And the designer of it is Jen, and she's from California. Because I can read all about her. Then we have it split to 2. And for knitting we have twinkle mittens, twinkle cowl, and twinkle hat. So we have 1 crocheting and 3 patterns. Mitten, knitting now. Mitting, hat, and cowl. But then we have a sneak peek and a pattern. Just a sneak peek in regards yarn in the sugar sock, so Ur yarns. And it looks, I also have over here sock crate membership. You can spot yarn, and you can spot socks. We don't have a pattern, it will be sent to us. So I presume they're going to combine a magazine, that you have a KnitCrate membership patterns, and also you're getting sock crate patterns over here. So it's like, so this one was the first one. Let's check the second one. Guys, KnitCrate membership. I got a second box, and this one is a different color. It's exactly the same. It's exactly the same weight. Now I have a 2 worsted. So you could see example of the 2 KnitCrate membership boxes, and I love the KnitCrate membership box the most, if I can say it myself. And this color is gilded. So check it out on the screen, and you could see how pretty it is. That was my second favorite actually. Can I mix those 2 colors together? Do you see sparkle? Oh my, I'm so happy. I am so happy. Oh my, thank you so much. So either way, there are no, for this month, well, November, you have 4 colors. You have rose, you have gilded, which are more in the blue tones. They're both gorgeous, and some of you are saying that I really look good in blue. But let's go and explore. I think I can mix it together. Now, how many skeins do I need for a worsted weight? If it counts as DK, I could actually probably try to do something with it. Oh my. Thank you so much for spoiling me. I hope you can spoil yourself too with 20% code KL20. You probably feel like it to do. Don't afraid, the account that you create can be frozen, you can delete it. There's no kind of attention going on over there, as I'm aware. And other than that, there is a certain special deals going on if you are a subscriber. So check out that too. I hope you enjoyed this one. This was a KnitCrate membership opening. I received 2 boxes. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much for watching. I know for some of you it's very hard to watch, and but I hope we're going to have fun to knit with our yarn and to knit something beautiful with it. Will I knit with the patterns? I'm not a crocheter, but it looks really good around her neck. And one day I may go with a hat, but I'm kinda in the sweater zone. If you watch my previous video, you may know, and the future one is going to be as better as that one. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this one. See you next one. Don't forget to use hashtag knittingILove. Show me what you're knitting. Don't forget to check down below. I'm linking KnitCrate's website, KnitCrate Instagram, KnitCrate Ravelry group, because you can enter stuff or show to whoever is knitting, so you feel like in a nice really group. And yeah, don't forget to check my playlist with the KnitCrate yarns I've knitted so far. If you're a KnitCrate subscriber and if you have any yarns just stuck there over there and you don't know what to do with them, try check it out, see what I did with mine. I hope you enjoyed this one. See you next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and I see you soon.